See, I like this stone on the house.
I don't.
You don't? Well, she wants a stone house. I like that.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at $1 Million Homes Part 2.
Hello.
Hi!
Hello.
If you didn't get a chance to see the first video for the first $1 Million home, I suggest go back and take a look at that one because that one was spectacular. This one, you're also in for a good treat too. Stick with me and let's go ahead and get started with this tour. Cute, this is different. Nah, not the artwork. Whoa, look at that. It's like a pot hanging. Yeah. It's a big tub. I love this closet. Wow. This is a light. IKEA.
You think that the homeowners separated?
There's no homeowners yet. It's for sale. I like this. The farmhouse sink. pretty. Oh my
The
goodness.
sink, yeah. Where the sink
And here's the washer dryer. Wow. How pretty is this? I like the colors. Wow. This is pretty. Don't know what you got till it's gone and you're riding your room. Oh. Oh, look, this is covered though. Like the other one wasn't covered, so you can be out here all year.
Yeah.
Even when it's raining and stuff. And just hang out. Do you think it's... Oh, it's screen. So you can feel the air and stuff still. This is nice. I like their outdoor couch. Where did the couch come from? Oh look, even the grill is covered. So just in case you still want to grill while it's snow or raining, you can still do it, you know. You can still be outside. And if folks want to come swim, they can swim out here. I like the other pool with the waterfall. Beautiful. There probably are horses over there, you think? Yeah, they are horses. So that's pretty. Wow. We have this on our balcony right now. I got it from Home Depot. No, I got it from Lowe's. It's like fake grass, but it looks like grass.
Yeah.
But it's for year-round. It's like year-round grass. And we got a lot of it left, so we can do this on our deck. This would be nice, right? And then I like the toppy areas. Oh wait, is this the fridge? It is. I knew it was the refrigerator.
You can't even tell it's
Yeah, I like that. And then the butler's pantry. Cool. So I guess the wallpaper is something that's in now. Oh, kitchen. Wait, the kitchen is closed off though. Wait, is this the regular kitchen? No, this isn't the regular kitchen. This is like the butler's kitchen. Like where you can prepare food and stuff. If you're having like a large meal. And then bring food out to the people, you know. It's cute. Nice. Look at this large mirror. This. And the front door. Oh my gosh, there's a dog. I was scared. I was about to turn around. I'm not kidding. That scared the mess out of me, dude. Cool. Oh, this is IKEA. Look at the legs. It's cool. Washer and dryer you can put upstairs. You can have one down and one up. Nice. I like the shower. This is like a taupe color. Oh, that's cute. So gallery walls are in right now, I think. And wallpaper from what I gathered. Oh, this is nice, this closet. Oh, this one has a hole in the roof up there. They should have fixed that. Okay. I know. Okay guys, that wraps up this $1 million home. Please leave your comment below and let me know which one was your favorite, $1 million house number 1 or $1 million house number 2. See us in the next video. I have another $1 million home coming up. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.